Hi everyone, how to solve this implicit differentiation. Okay, so the derivatives of y is equal to y prime. But how are you going to find the derivatives of y raised to n? If you're going to find the derivatives of y raised to n, uh, this is the same on finding derivatives using chain rule. Okay, n y raised to n minus 1, then derivatives of y. So the derivatives of y raised to n times the derivatives of y. Okay, so let's have example. We have an equation here, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Find the dy over dx. Okay, so to solve this, just simply find the derivatives of x squared, which is 2x. The derivatives of y squared is 2y, but you need to multiply y prime. Okay, so the derivatives of 2y squared is 2y times the derivatives of y, which is y prime, plus I equals to 0. Derivatives of 25 is 0. Then solve y prime. So transpose 2x. So we have 2y times y prime is equal to negative 2x. Divide both side by 2y. Cancel 2y here, and y prime is equal to negative 2x over 2y, or this is the same as dy over dx equals to cancel 2 negative x over y, and this is the answer. Another example, we have x cubed plus y cubed equals 4x plus 5. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Derivatives of y cubed is 3y squared times y prime is equal to the derivatives of 4x is 4. Derivatives of 5 is 0. Solve for y prime. So transpose 3x squared, and that is 3y squared y prime equals to 4 minus 3x squared. Then divide both side by 3y squared. Cancel. So the dy, okay, y prime is the same as dy over dx. So the dy over dx of the function of the equation is 4 minus 3x squared over 3y squared. And this is the dy over dx of the equation. Let's have more example. What is the dy over dx of y cubed plus 4y squared plus 3x squared y plus 10 equals to 0? Derivatives of y cubed is 3y squared plus derivatives of 4y squared is 8y times y prime plus 3x squared times y. We apply product rule here because we have 3x squared times y. So we have two functions. So this will be served as our u and y will be our v. What's the rule in product rule? Copy u, 3x squared times the derivatives of v is y prime plus copy v, y times the derivatives of u is 6x plus derivatives of 10 is 0 equals to 0. So what I apply here is the product rule. The u dv plus the v du. Okay, then simplify. So we have 3y squared plus 8y y prime plus 3x squared y prime plus 6x y equals to 0. Transpose terms without y prime. So the remaining terms in the left side is 8y y prime plus 3x squared y prime equals to, transpose this, negative 3y squared minus 6x y. Factor out the y prime. Okay, y prime times 8y plus 3x squared equals to negative of the quantity of 3y squared plus 6xy. Divide both side by 8y plus 3x squared. 8y plus 3x squared. So cancel. So y is equal to the negative quantity of 3y squared plus 6xy all over 8y plus 3x squared, or our dy over dx negative of 3y squared plus 6xy over 8y plus 3x squared. And this is the dy over dx of the equation. For example, number 4, x plus y cube is equal to e raised to y raised to 4. Always remember that the derivatives of e raised to u is e raised to u times du. Okay, so the derivatives of y raised to n is n y raised to n minus 1 times y prime. So what's the derivative of this equation? Derivative of x is 1 plus derivatives of y cube is 3y squared times y prime is equal to, okay, derivatives of ey raised to 4, that is ey raised to, sorry, e raised to y raised to 4 times derivative of the exponent is 4y cubed y prime. Then simplify, we have 1 plus 3y squared y prime. So here we have 4e y raised to 4 y cubed y prime. And let's transpose this one here. So we have 4e raised to y raised to 4 y cubed y prime minus 3y squared y prime. So the remaining term on the left side of the equation is 1. Factor out y prime. So 4e y raised to 4, sorry, 4e raised to y raised to 4 y cubed minus 3y squared times y prime. We factor out y prime. Okay. Then 1 here. Then divide both side by 4e raised to y raised to 4y cubed minus 3y squared. 4e raised to y raised to 4 y cubed minus 3y squared. So cancel. So the dy over dx is equal to 1 over 4e raised to y raised to 4 y cubed minus 3y squared. And this is the answer for number 4. Number 5. What is the derivatives of sine y squared minus 2 equals to x cubed? So let's apply the chain rule here. So remember that the derivatives of sine u is equal to cosine u times du. So what's the derivatives of this? That is cosine y squared minus 2 times the derivatives of u is 2y y prime equals to derivatives of x cubed 3x squared. So this is equivalent to 2y cosine of y squared minus 2 y prime equals to 3x squared. Divide both side by 2y cosine of y squared minus 2, 2y cosine y squared minus 2. So cancel. So the derivative, so the dy over dx of this is 3x squared over 2y cosine of y squared minus 2. And this is the answer. More example. Number 6, we have 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 36. Derivatives of 4x squared is 8x plus derivatives of 9y squared is 18y, but y prime equals to 0, 0. Sorry. Then transpose 8x. So 18y, y prime is equal to negative 8x. Divide both sides by 18y. Y prime is equal to negative lowest term of 8 over 18 is 4 over 9. So copy x and y. And this is the answer. Or the dy over dx is negative 4x over 9y. That's the way how are you going to solve number 6. Number 7. How to solve or find the dy over dx of this equation, x squared y cubed minus 2y squared equals to 17 minus cosine x. So let's apply the product rule here because x squared times y squared are two functions. So the x squared will be the u, y cubed will be the b, and applying the product rule, u dv plus v du. So copy u, the x squared, times the derivatives of v is 3y squared y prime plus copy v, y cubed, the derivatives of u is 2x minus the derivatives of this, that is 4y y prime equals to 0 minus negative sine x. The derivatives of 17 is 0. Minus the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Let's simplify. So this will become 3x squared y prime plus 2xy cubed minus 4y y prime equals to positive sine x. Transpose terms without y prime. So this one. So the remaining term on the left side of the equation are 3x squared y prime minus 4y y prime. And we have sine x transpose positive 2x y cube will become negative 2x y cube. Then factor out y prime times 3x squared minus 4y equals to sine x minus 2x y cube. Divide both sides by 3x squared minus 4y, 3x squared minus 4y. Cancel. Y prime is equal to y prime or dy over dx is equal to sine x minus 2x y cubed all over 3x squared minus 4y. And this is the answer for number 7. Number 8. Let's apply the chain rule. So we can write the equation as sine u equals 2e raised to u. We let u equals to x plus y. And the derivatives of u is 1 plus y prime. And let's find out the derivative of this. This is cosine u times du equals to 2e raised to u times du. The derivatives of sine u is cosine u du. The derivatives of e raised to u is e raised to u times du. And then let's substitute. U is x plus y times the derivatives of u is 1 plus y prime equals to 2e raised to x plus y times the derivatives of u is 1 plus y prime. And this term is distribute here the terms inside of the parentheses. We have 1 plus y prime, and that will become cosine of x plus y plus cosine of x plus y prime equals to, this also distribute, 2e raised to x plus y plus 2e raised to x plus y prime. What's next? Okay, transpose this here and also this one there. So the remaining term here will become cosine x plus y prime minus 2e raised to x plus y prime equals to 2e raised to x plus y minus cosine x plus y. Factor out y prime. So cosine x plus y minus 2e raised to x plus y equals to 2e raised to x plus y minus cosine x plus y. Then divide both sides by cosine x plus y minus 2e raised to x plus y cosine x plus y minus 2e raised to x plus y. And then cancel. So y prime, so the dy over dx is 2e raised to x plus y minus cosine of x plus y all over cosine of x plus y minus 2e raised to x plus y. So factor out negative. So this will become negative times cosine of x plus y minus 2e raised to x plus y over cosine x plus y minus 2 raised to x plus y. And then cancel. The answer is negative 1. Number 9. Y squared cosine x minus x squared sine y squared. So let's apply the product rule. We have y squared times cosine x. This will be served as our u v. u dv plus v du. So copy y squared times derivatives of v is negative sine x plus copy v, the cosine x times derivatives of u 2y y prime minus another product rule. So this will be served as our u v. So u v copy u x squared, derivatives of v is cosine y squared times derivatives of u, or the angle, is 2y y prime equals to, ay plus, sorry, kulang pa, plus copy v, the sine y squared, then derivatives of negative x squared is negative 2x equals to 0. We are looking the dy over dx, the y prime or the y prime. Simplify, so we have negative y squared sine x plus, no wait, the 2y cosine x y prime minus x squared cosine y squared. No, sorry, this is 2 times 1, and that should be uh, 2x squared y cosine y squared y prime minus 2x sine y squared equals to 0. Positive times negative become negative. Transpose term without y prime. The remaining term here are the 2y cos x y prime minus 2x squared y cos y squared y prime equals to, transpose this, and that will become y squared sine x plus 2x sine y squared. Okay. Then factor out y prime times 2y cos x minus 2x squared y cosine y squared equals to y squared sine x plus 2x sine y squared. Divide both sides by 2y cosine x minus 2x squared y cosine y squared. 2y cosine x minus 2x squared y cosine y squared. So cancel. So our dy over dx is y squared sine x plus 2x sine y squared over 2y cos x minus 2x squared y cosine y squared. And this is the final answer. More example. Number 10. Y e raised to x plus x e raised to y is equal to 12. Okay, so we're going to find y prime. So this function, this y times e raised to x is product of two functions. And let's apply the product rule. Y will be served as u, e raised to x will be served as your v. And that is the u dv plus v du. What is u? The y. Derivatives of v. Derivatives of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. Plus copy v, the e raised to x, times derivatives of u, that is y prime. So this is the derivatives of this. And how about this? Another u dv. Second batch. Another u v. Copy x. X times derivatives of the v, the e raised to y. E raised to y, y prime. Plus copy v, e raised to y, times the derivatives of u is 1 equals to 0. So the derivatives of 12 is 0. Simplify. Y e raised to x plus e raised to x y prime plus x e raised to y y prime plus e raised to y equals to 0. Transpose term without y prime. This one. So we have e raised to x y prime here plus x e raised to y y prime equals to negative e raised to y minus y e raised to x. Factor out y prime times e raised to x plus x e raised to y equals to negative of the quantity of e raised to y plus y e raised to x. Divide both sides by e raised to x plus x e raised to y, e raised to x plus x e raised to y. Cancel. Our y prime is negative of e raised to y plus y e raised to x all over e raised to x plus x e raised to y, or dy over dx is equal to the negative of e raised to y plus y e raised to x over e raised to x plus x e raised to y. That's the way. How are you going to solve this math problem? Okay, that's the way. How are you going to solve implicit differentiation? So I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless to everyone.